Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun, which sounds cozy, until you realize that at night, it's a frostbitten minus 180 degrees Celsius. Then daytime hits, and boom, 430 degrees Celsius. Mercury is basically the solar system's ultimate temperature tantrum. Why? No real atmosphere, just a whisper-thin exosphere that can't hold heat. Solar radiation? Brutal. Mercury gets almost 7 times what Earth does. And breathable air? Forget it. Landing here is no joke. Tiny planets, craters everywhere, and low air resistance makes stopping your spaceship harder than hitting the brakes on a downhill shopping cart. Daytime is out. NASA suits only handle 121 degrees Celsius. Nighttime isn't safe either. Your suit freezes at negative 157 degrees Celsius. Your safest bet? The Terminator zone, the twilight strip between day and night. Temperatures are slightly more forgiving, but still unpredictable. Mercury doesn't do comfort zones. Venus, Earth's closest neighbor, looks stunning from afar. Golden clouds, shiny atmosphere, all lies. Those clouds are pure sulfuric acid, strong enough to dissolve your lungs in seconds. Assume you've got a spacesuit that can filter it. You're still in trouble. Visibility drops fast. Heat hits a sizzling 450 degrees Celsius, and only 10% of sunlight makes it through. So it's basically a dark, acid sauna. Gravity's fine. Air density isn't. Moving feels like swimming through molasses. Pressure? 92 bars. One leak, and your suit explodes like a soda can in a microwave. If that doesn't finish you, the acid will. Venus. Pretty to look at, deadly to visit. Mars. The most Earth-friendly. Daytime temperatures? Mild, around 20 degrees Celsius. Nights? Cold enough to freeze your eyebrows off, down to minus 130 degrees Celsius. Thin atmosphere, mostly CO2, almost no oxygen. Radiation? 40 to 50 times higher than Earth. Dust storms? Imagine sandstorms on steroids, with winds up to 100 kilometers per hour. So yes, Mars is the best candidate for life, or at least surviving for a bit. But you'll need airtight habitats, reliable insulation, and maybe a personal bubble of luck. Jupiter, king of the planets, largest in the solar system. Radiation levels? Enough to fry your suit from 300,000 kilometers away. Gravity? 2.4 times Earth's. Fall here, and you'll hit terminal velocity before breakfast. Upper clouds? Frozen ammonia at minus 150 degrees Celsius. Winds reach 482 kilometers per hour. Descend 150 kilometers, and pressure skyrockets. You'll hit supercritical fluids and metallic hydrogen, basically swimming in alien jello. Core temperatures? 24,000 degrees Celsius. That's 4.5 times hotter than the sun's surface. Your spaceship? Toast. You? Vapor. Fun fact, even NASA's Galileo probe didn't go this deep. Saturn, famous for its rings and deadly winds. Avoid the 146 moons and the debris in the rings. Equatorial winds, 1,800 kilometers per hour. North Pole storms, big enough to fit 2 Earths. Temperatures in the upper atmosphere, minus 250 degrees Celsius. Deeper down, 0 degrees Celsius. Pressure, like being crushed under the Mariana Trench. On steroids. Core, 11,700 degrees Celsius, 1,000 times Earth's pressure. Beauty and death in one package. Uranus spins on its side. The day lasts 17 hours. Ice giant? More like a toxic freezing gas ball. Temperatures drop below minus 2,200 degrees Celsius. Air is dense. Ice pellets come at you like missiles. And yes, diamond rain. But pressure 100 times Earth? Instant pancake. Uranus. Icy, deadly, and utterly unforgiving. Neptune. Farthest from the Sun. Darkest in appearance. Outer layers are freezing, but the core is scorching 7,000 degrees Celsius. Hotter than the Sun's surface, with diamond rain and supersonic winds. Neptune is basically Uranus's evil twin. Just as beautiful, just as deadly, but with a turbo boost.